a bag lady. I'm all on my own. My hubby did school run, and I'm just on my own. Yay! I don't know if I should be cheering because I'm on my own. Is that a good thing or not? Although I love being on my own. I'm quite antisocial. I'm terrible. Anyway, so Ruby's gone to school. My hubby's gone off to work now. James has gone to school, but James has gone to his last day of school. Bless him. But he is actually staying on, so he will be going back for 2 years in September. But they actually finished school today, so I can't believe it. Like I said yesterday, I can just remember him when he was tiny and I took him to school for the first time, and he was really cute. He had like a little shaved head and little round glasses, and oh, he was so cute, bless him. So because James is finished, today is my last day of like freedom. That sounds awful, doesn't it? Because after today, probably quite a lot of the time James will be with me or around, I think. So today is the last day of just being able to go out and know that both your children are at school, if that makes sense. So I thought, right, as soon as it's the last day, I'm going shopping. I shouldn't be going shopping. I don't need to buy anything. My house is a real mess. I need to tidy up. I need to put clothes away. I need some washing and stuff. I need to tidy up. But I just thought, you know what, just get in your car, walk away from it and just go, because when you get back, the cleaning up will still be there, won't it? So off we go, my dear. So we're going to go thrifting, as some people call it, charity shopping as I call it, or second-hand shopping, but we're just going to go for a rummage. So I will film as much as I can. We're going to a lovely little town. It's about, I don't know, 30-40 minutes away from where I live, but I just love it because I don't really know anyone, so I can just go for a lovely rummage and not have to talk to anybody. That sounds horrible, doesn't it? But I just like it. I just love looking. It's so interesting. So I hope I don't find anything too much, because I don't want to spend much, if that makes sense. Anyways, I'm waffling on to, right, let's go shopping. We've made it. We've made it. It's alright, somebody's parked really close to me. I thought, oh my god. So we've made it. So bag of the day, I've got my clear one again. I've literally used my clear one every day because it's just rained every day and it doesn't matter if it gets wet. So no posh bags this week, just my little clear one, although I actually really like it. It's lovely to use. So let's go get a parking ticket and let's go.
Thank you, lad.
Alright, no problem. I'll put him back on then. Alright mate, cheers, no problem. There you are, Joe.
You've not been paying your rent. Bang, 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 bang. You've got to understand it.
People like being in army when they got under this sergeant major.
Oh, you look dead. Well, Jazz.
Well, I give those people the right.
It's not. I know I'm right. I've been on Twitter for 40 years. I'll tell you what's possible. We'll go grey underneath.
David! Gee! Val! David, let's go and put water down, love. You want a tea, mate? Right, did you get that order?
I've seen it, it's Portuguese. We showed it now. Look at that. Free. Tea candles.
What? Yeah. Just your postcode and your surname is fine.
£20 £20
They're really, yeah, we've been looking online for selling them to eat before. How much would you pay?
Rub it down a minute. Now.
Back in the car. So we've been shopping for 4 hours. My feet hurt. I've got a little sandwich to eat on the way home. I never ever buy sandwiches, but I just didn't fancy something like cooked chicken that I normally nibble on the way home. I just didn't fancy it today because it was a bit dry and horrible last time, so I thought, well, I'll just have a naughty sandwich. Looks like we're back on diets on Monday again. So I bought a few bits from New Look. I didn't really buy that much, but I had a really good look round, so I hope you've enjoyed it as well. So we need to get home and then we can have a nice cup of coffee and actually enjoy my sandwich on the way back. And I've got to get some petrol as well. Anyway, let's go. Made it home, but I thought before we have a cup of coffee, I'm just going to take my little ladies for a walk because it's finally stopped raining. So let's go for a quick walk. We're back from the walk. That's how you sit when you come back from a walk. You collapse on the floor. And then you want some food. Are you trying to tell me you want some food, Florence? Yeah? Is that what your food is? Right, back from the walk. Obviously Winnie's collapsed on the floor. So what did we buy today? Did we buy anything exciting? Bought some new like rough hairspray stuff. For like messing your hair up. I bought some Root Magic Retouch, which when your hair wants colouring and you've only got a couple of greys, it's like a little mascara brush for your hair, so you can just touch your grey bits up. I got a nodding dog. I bought, I'm trying to be quick, otherwise this video is going to be so long. I bought the lovely blouse. I thought, you know, when it is really hot, this would be so cool. It's a bit like when you have your eyes tested, isn't it? A bit like the chart you have to read, but it's got all the lovely little letters on it. It's very lovely. Well, not a nodding dog. I'll set that up in a minute and show you. And then from New Look, I bought the red spotted top, so I really liked it. And then I got the gorgeous ripped jeans. I love them. I love New Look jeans so much. They're high-waisted, they're really stretchy, they're ripped. What's not to love? And then I bought a lampshade for my black lamp that I painted the other day. So it's black and then the inside of it is gold. So fingers crossed it looks alright. I'm going to try it in a minute. So I'll set my nodding dog up and I'll show you. Okay, here's a little nodding dog. I bought him because he's really heavy. So I think he was quite an expensive one when he was new. And obviously he's a little beagle, I think. Look how cute he is. I'm going to give it my hubby as a bit of fun. Ta-da! There we go. How cute is that? So there's what I bought for my hubby, a nodding dog. Yeah. Right, made myself a nice cup of coffee and to enjoy my last few minutes of freedom. My mother-in-law's going on school run, so I've got no school run. Lucky me. I've bought myself a little cake. Ta-da! So I'm actually going to sit here and eat a cake and regret it later. So off to enjoy a naughty little cake. Mr. Tesco's bin. So we've got to now put all this away and then we can actually get on and cook tea. Yay! Right, Right, there's my little tea. So we've got Friday fry up. So we've got eggs, bacon, sausages, onion rings, all sorts of stuff. So off to enjoy my tea. Right, it is. Final little vlog of the day because me and Ruby are off to watch Harry Potter. I love a bit of Potter on a Friday night. It's lovely, isn't it, Ruby?
Yeah.
So we're all sat relaxing on the sofa, me and me. And then Ruby in a minute. She's just putting the film in, aren't you, my dear? So it is. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed it. So if you do enjoy life in England, daily vlogs, handbags, shopping, whatever else we get up to, then please subscribe to our channel and come and find me on Instagram as Mrs. Crazy Bag Lady and my Depop shop as Pink Car 07. But there's not really much anything on my shop at the minute. And Ruby's channel. There's just one little hen sale, I think, and that's it. So I need to make some more hens. So anyway, dears, I love you and leaving. I'll speak to you tomorrow. So take care.
On the sofa.
Ruby is. Bye.